Hey guys, how are you? This is Mr. Argueta. I wanted to get a video out to you before we start class Monday, October 12th. This is just kind of give you an overview of what the class and how it works and how it's structured. I want to note that there is no physical book to this class, but you do have to purchase an access code. So you'll see that as we go along in this quick little sort of sneak peek of the class. This screen that you're seeing is Blackboard. You access that by going to gntc.edu. Let me see if I can do that for you. That way you are familiar with what we're doing. So if I go to gntc.edu, that's Blackboard right there. That would get you, once you log in, to a screen similar to this. Now, of course, yours are going to have the classes that you are currently taking. These are the classes I teach and have taught. Either way, in this particular class, we're going to organizational behavior, which starts, as I mentioned, Monday, October 12th. This is what it's going to look like. In this page, I'm going to be posting announcements. This is just general announcements about stuff. Make sure when you log in, you take a look at any videos or anything that I've posted. But lessons, that's where you're going to go. Under lessons tab, you're going to have folders that are titled Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you go on, you'll see up to 7. This is a 7-week course. We do not slow down. We start running and we keep running throughout the whole semester, guys. But the first thing I want you to do is the syllabus quiz right there. The syllabus quiz, to be honest with you, is not a quiz. It's just acknowledgement of understanding and having read the syllabus, which is right above that. And there it is. Now, this is sort of an overview if you prefer reading through it. There's a syllabus. Make sure you take a look at that because that's going to be very important to you on how you're being graded. I want to make sure you understand that all the information of the course is in the syllabus. This is what you and I both agree on as a class, what we are going to do. You are being evaluated based on the syllabus, as you can tell. So let me go back to lessons and course information. If you prefer to read some of the stuff that I'm going to talk about, that's where it's all at. Misconduct, the orientation for the Smart Book, the Smart Book video series. If you're confused on how to use the technology, this will be a good place to get started. All right. Once you are familiar with the class, and on October 12th, this is going to open up Unit 1. Under Unit 1, you have 3 big folders to work on. The first one is your introduction discussion. You hit create thread and you introduce yourself. Now, in our weekly discussions, including this one, you will need to reply to 2 other classmates, plus I will create my own thread, so look for me, and I will have a video similar to this on the recap of the week and a just quick overview of what's coming up, and you will be required to reply to that. So, just to sum it up, your original post, 2 classmates, and a reply to my video. So that's 4 interactions you will have in the discussion post every week. All right, so on October 12th, once again, that folder opens up and then chapter 1 and chapter 2 will open up. This is what the work looks like. Learn Smart is a required thing to do. Everything here, with the exception of the PowerPoint, is a required work to do. So Learn Smart, homework, self-assessment, and quizzes. The self-assessment is really like a getting to know yourself better in this class. It's not critical, but it is important to understand who you are before you become a manager. So PowerPoint is really just a support tool for you. You don't have to do anything with it. Some people don't even use it. Others feel it's important because it gives the highlights of the chapter. Now, pay close attention to the quiz because out of those questions, you will have your midterm and your final. Okay, so every week we're working on 2 chapters and a discussion. Unit 1, Chapter 1, and Chapter 2, similar to Chapter 1, all do week 1. I do not go back and I do not move forward or go ahead. I don't open up units early, nor do I return to past units. So work on the week we are working on, please. It is critical to just stay on task. It goes by so quick, guys. It's hard to even explain. Either way, the one caveat to this that I want to make sure you understand is in our 7th week, November 30th through the 6th, you have your discussion, you have your 2 chapters, but you have your final exam. So keep that in the back of your mind, please. Don't let that catch you by surprise. Other than that, that is sort of how this class works. Every week, a unit opens up, complete everything within that unit, including the discussions, and then you move on to the next unit when it opens up. Every unit closes Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and opens on Monday at midnight. So Monday at 12. So you have an entire week to complete the work. You can go anytime to do it. If you need to get a hold of me, please feel free to email me at largueta@gntc.edu. Other than that, guys, once again, my name is Mr. Argueta. I'm excited to get to know you guys through our discussions. I read every single one. Please make sure you're putting attention to that. Do not give me one-sentence answers. I do not grade that. I need a solid paragraph, a good discussion. So let me know if I can help you. If not, guys, looking forward to Monday. Please stay safe out there and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week.